1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Tell me, who knows counting? Any idea?
I know it very well. Shall I count? Listen everyone. 1, 5, 7, 2, 4.
What kind of counting is this? I shall count now. Listen. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
What type of counting is this? Backward counting? Is your head upside down?
Stop fighting, the two of you. Both of you know the numbers, but not in the right order. Isn't it that the way one should count? I will tell you the right way to start the counting. Both of you count after me, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now at home you have to learn it very well. Tomorrow when we meet, you two will start the counting of things up to 10 in the play area.
Yes,
We
shall learn it.
For now, let us listen to the counting in the poem again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Which number comes after 5? 6. Which number comes before 2?
1.